Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best headlight restoration kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This headlight restoration kit includes a set of tools that let you completely clear up your car's headlights, while also ensuring that they stay bright for a long time to come. This works by providing a thin ceramic layer over your car's headlights once the restoration process has been completed, giving them great resistance to the weathering effects that are typical of years-old headlights. This includes resistance to UV weathering as well as from other elements. The kit is quite easy to use, requiring no extra tools, although it should be noted that you will need to protect your headlights from exposure to the elements for at least an hour after application. Regardless, this headlight restoration kit will give your headlights a professional level treatment that will last for a long time. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Meguiar's Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. Cloudy or faded headlights can cause more problems than many people are aware of. Not only do they look bad, but they can also be a serious threat to safety, as dim headlights make seeing the road much more difficult in the dark, and in turn, they make your own vehicle harder to see. If your vehicle suffers from this condition, then you would do well to take a look at the Meguiar's G2980 Heavy Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit gives you everything you need to help restore the protective cover of your car's headlights to looking and performing as good as new. At number 3, we have the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit. A common trait of many headlight restoration kits is that they often have a long, detailed set of instructions on how to use them to restore your car's headlights to their original condition. Some of these may seem complicated enough to make some car owners prefer to just have a professional do it. This added expense really isn't necessary though, when you have something like the SYLVANIA HRKBX Headlight Restoration Kit at your disposal. This headlight restoration kit requires only 3 easy steps for completely restoring your vehicle's headlights to looking as good as new, enhancing the overall look and safety. Despite the simplicity with which you can use this kit to restore your vehicle's headlights, it isn't lacking at all in its effectiveness. This is thanks in large part to the exclusive UV block clear coat included in the kit, which works its magic to remove the effects of fading and yellowing that is common with old headlights, while also offering a level of protection for them against the UV rays of the sun. At number 2, we have the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System. Although many of the headlight restoration kits that require only hand polishing promise an easier and less complicated experience, sometimes they just can't do the same level of quality that you can get from a drill kit. Yet, there are those who would like an effective drill kit that is not so expensive. Enter the 3M 39008 Headlight Lens Restoration System, a very inexpensive car headlight restoration kit that offers professional results. Unlike the cheap hand polishing kits, this one is fully compatible with a standard drill, giving you an extra effective level of polishing that most hand kits just can't offer. The unique 3M sanding disc that comes with this kit can be used with virtually any household drill and provides an extra level of abrasion that can clear away fogginess, yellowing, or even small scratches and other blemishes from a car's headlights. Furthermore, this can be done without providing even the slightest bit of harm to the headlight cover, keeping it strong and durable, while also allowing it to retain its clearness. And finally, at number 1, we have the Meguiar's 2-step car headlight restoration kit. Not everyone wants to go get a power drill just to clean up their headlights. Of course, that really isn't necessary, as there are plenty of hand polishing kits available, with one of the best being the Meguiar's 2970 2-step headlight restore kit. Out of the box, you get everything you need in order to get your headlights looking as good as new, including a cleaning and polishing compound, as well as the cleaning pads that you need to apply them. You simply won't have to hunt around for any other tools or accessories, as everything that is included will do the job well. Speaking of the components, both the cleaning and polishing compounds come in 4-ounce bottles that will give you enough of both of them for multiple cleanings, so this isn't just a use once kit. The cleaning pads will also hold up well over multiple cleanings, so you won't have to try to find spares should you need to clean your headlights again in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.